Cheers, everybody. Hello, Joe Panone here, CEO, President of Forza Technology. Super excited to talk to you about CW-Cloud today. It's just an incredible product. Clients love it. We've gotten a lot of great press, a lot of great testimonials on it. Please take a look at it. If you're a ConnectWise Cloud member, please take a look. Right when you open up the application, you go to cw-cloud.com. It comes up. You log in with the same credentials as ConnectWise. It logs in. You have these panels here. We call them panels in CW Dash. We used to call them boards, but we didn't want to get them confused with service boards in ConnectWise. But you have plenty to choose from here. If we go right here, we'll see we have open hours worked by members. We have the members here, and then this is what's actual, which is the blue. Red is the billable hours. Of course, you can click on any one of these bars, and in a matter of moments, you can drill down and see all the information. You have the ability to change the date range. Let's say we wanted to go to the current quarter. You see, you choose the quarter, within seconds it populates the information. You can go from 2D to 3D. That's hours worked by member. How important is that to everybody? I know we're an MSP. It's very important to us. Open tickets by service board. These are the service boards that we have here, and these are the non-closed tickets. Of course, you could drill down into any one of these at any time, but it's important to see how those service boards are doing and what's not closed. Here we have utilization. You know, there's 3 camps for utilization that we found. We've lots of discussion. As you know, CW Dash has been around for quite a while, and there's many discussions, and some have gotten heated about how to calculate utilization. We put all 3 down. First one is billable hours divided by actual hours. Some people, a camp thinks that way. Another is actual hours divided by the daily capacity. We set up daily capacity in ConnectWise, of course, so we want to know what the actual hours is divided by that member or technician's daily capacity. And then the last is billable hours by that daily capacity. So instead of defending which side is right, and I think they're all great, by the way, we just put all 3 down, all 3 ways of doing utilization. Of course, we have hours by agreement, open activities, tickets by company, by member, by service board. Again, you'll see these back here, all open. This is open tickets by each company, all populated right in your browser. There's no application you need to install, of course. ConnectWise Cloud is in the cloud. One of the greatest things is this client summary. How many of us do quarterly business reviews, or we try to? Sometimes clients don't want to. We want to get there in their face, at least once a quarter. As managed service providers, so often we're doing so many things behind the scenes. Clients start to wonder, what am I paying monthly for? I don't see what you're doing back there. So in simple 3 steps, we can get all this information in. It used to take us, I'm going to type in the company's name here, click search, it's going to find it. I'm going to choose the date range. Let's go second quarter. I'm going to click next, and all this information will show here. You could dump it to a form right on the page, or you could dump it to Excel. What used to take us a half day to compile all this information for the QBR now takes moments. You're able to get all that information, pull it out of ConnectWise, and dump it into Excel or into a form, so then you could print it, or you could even bring CW-Cloud there, open it in a browser there. They could see it real time, the client. A wonderful, wonderful tool. So please, I hope that you'll trial it. CW-Cloud, I know you're going to enjoy it. We have many clients that are on it now and love it. I know you will. Of course, we have the on-premise product as well. It's doing quite well as well. So, quite well as well doesn't make that much sense, but you know what I mean. Everybody, please try CW-Cloud. Have yourself a great day. This is Joe Panone signing out.